Hello children, hope all are doing good. All of you are very smart. Do you know why? Because you already knew about body parts. Today we will learn about our face. So can you see this picture? This is a face. If you will go and see in the mirror, what can you see? You can see your cute face. Let's see what else you can see. Now can you touch your hair? Nice. These are my eyes. Where are your eyes? Close your eyes, open your eyes. Close your eyes, open your eyes and see. This is my nose. Where is your nose? Can you point to your nose with your finger? Good. Here is my mouth. Can you open your mouth? Wow, that's so wide. Can you see your tongue inside? Okay, take your tongue out. Bring your tongue in. Once again, take your tongue out. Bring your tongue in. These are my shiny white teeth. Can you show me your teeth? These are my lips. Now touch your pink and rosy lips. Where are your ears? My ears are here. Touch your ears. Good. These are my cheeks. Can you pat your cheeks with your hand? Nice. Where is your chin? Point to your chin. This is my chin. So children, this is my face. Very nice kids. It was a lovely game. We also learned about face. Now you can play this game with your mama. Bye bye.